Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Paychex for HR payroll setup step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Paychex website in your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the sign-in page. If you are a new user, locate the option that says Get Started or Register. Click on this option to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a form asking for your personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Once you have completed the form, review all the information for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, click the Continue button. You will then be prompted to provide your business information. Enter your business name, address, and any other requested details. Make sure to specify your business's tax identification number. Once you've filled out the business information, click Next to proceed. Paychex may require you to verify your email address at this point. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to continue. After verifying your email, return to the Paychex site and log in using your credentials. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the HR and Payroll Setup section. Follow the prompts to enter any additional information required for payroll setup. You may need to input employee details if you already have a team. For each employee, enter their name, role, and pay rate. Review the setup summary to ensure all information is complete. Once everything looks good, submit your payroll setup for processing. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your setup. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Paychex for HR payroll setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.